Hello everybody, welcome to the Auburn Dairy YouTube channel. Today we're doing the very exciting thing of starting third crop alfalfa. Hope you like this video. So I already pulled the mower up by the house. Basically we just gotta drive down to the field that we're gonna be starting in. So this is our first field. We gotta go all the way well past that grove of trees. We gotta do 2 rows around each field before we can start mowing just normally. We're gonna mow 2 rows around the entire field, then go to the next field, mow 2 rows around it. So we have to mow 2 rounds around it before mowing like regular rows, because the other mower that we use, disc vine, kind of hard to go around the first few rows with it because it pulls behind the tractor. So you actually drive on the hay with the tractor and then you lose some of your hay. Because the header can't pick it up when it's laid down. So I have to make 2 rows around it with the self-propelled first, and then we can continue doing regular rows. It can help with the end rows too. First row in the first field done. Now we're gonna do end rows in the second field. So now we just finished all the end rows of all the fields, and now we're gonna go back to the first field and start doing normal rows there with the other mower. Getting almost done. This is the last field, just this little bit left. Done mowing. That's very satisfying. So third cutting hay is cut. Alright, so it's the next day now. We are merging all the fields now. So merging is basically, it picks up the hay, moves it over. We merge all the rows together because they're really thin by themselves, especially now since the hay is really short because we haven't gotten any rain for the past few months. So we merge all the rows together. So the chopper doesn't have to turn so often, and so the chopper can pick almost everything up because if it's thicker, it all kind of sticks together. That's the point of that. Now I'm going to show you how we push. Basically it's just a big blade that we push all the hay into a big storage compartment, sort of. So the storage compartment's right there, and we got to push the hay as they dump in there. The dump wagon's coming right now. So this is our haylage pile we just put in. We're going to be covering it with plastic, putting tires on it so it ferments. So before we can cover it with plastic, we gotta get a little divot along the sidewalls here. We gotta fork out the haylage on the sides so we can set sandbags over it. That helps with all the water that runs down so it doesn't get in our feed. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope to see you in the next video.